22nd one. If y equal to determinant f of x, g of x, h of x, L, M, N, A, B, C, then prove that dy by dx derivative is f dash x, g dash x, h dash x, L, M, N, A, B, C. So we have to prove that first, given that y equal to this determinant. So using this we can expand the determinant. So we can write y equal to, expanding the determinant, we get f of x into, delete the row and column containing that. So m into c minus m into c minus n into b. Then minus g of x into, delete the row and column, LC, L into c minus n into a. Plus third term h of x into, delete the row and column containing LB minus MA. So this is what the determinant. When we expand the determinant, we get y equal to f of x into MC minus ND minus g of x into L into C minus N into A plus h of x into L into B minus M into A. Now when we find the derivative, what is dy by dx? How we find the derivative of this? See, m into c minus n into b, that is only a constant. So constant into f of x. So what is the derivative? We can write constant into derivative of f of x. What is the derivative of f of x? So m into c minus n into b, the same thing, into derivative of f of x, that is f dash x, minus g of x into, minus, take the constant, LC minus n into a into derivative of g of x, that is g dash x, then plus LB minus MA into derivative of h of x, that is h dash x. So that is the derivative of y with respect to x. So we found the derivative. See, when we compare with this form y, see, f of x into mc minus nb minus g of x into that plus that is same as determinant f of x, g of x, h of x, lm and abc. See, here what is the difference? In the place of f of x, here it is f dash x, g of x, g dash x, h of x, h dash x. So what is this? This is equal to what? This is same as determinant. Just compare with that determinant, this determinant and this function, and compare this with this. So we can understand what is determinant, what is this equal to. This is same as determinant, that same thing. So in the place of f of x, we have to write f dash x, only that is the difference, f dash x. And in the place of g of x, we have to write g dash x. In the place of h of x, we have to write h dash x. Remaining things are same. See, constants are remaining, we didn't do anything with the constants. So same thing we get, L, M, N, A, B, C. So that is what we want to prove. So we got dy by dx equal to this one. So that is what we want to prove. So we got the answer, we proved. Now 23rd one. If y equal to e raised to a cos inverse x, we have to prove that 1 minus x square d square y by dx square minus x dy by dx minus a square y equal to 0. So given that y equal to e raised to a cos inverse x, y is given, we have to prove this, 1 minus x square into that. So in that equation, there is second derivative, d square y by dx square and dy by dx and y. So anyway, we want to find first derivative and second derivative, then only we can prove that. So first we can find the first derivative from y equal to e raised to a cos inverse x. So just to find dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to derivative of e raised to a cos inverse x. How to find? What's the derivative of e raised to x? That is e raised to x. But in the place of x, here it is a cos inverse x. So we have to, we are using the same formula, d by dx of e raised to x equal to e raised to x. So derivative of e raised to a cos inverse x is e raised to a cos inverse x. E raised to a cos inverse x, same thing. Derivative e raised to x, e raised to x. So derivative e raised to a cos inverse x, e raised to a cos inverse x. But we have to multiply by the function which is in the place of x. What is in the place of x here? In the place of x here, a cos inverse x. So we have to multiply by derivative of a cos inverse x. So into, don't stop there, we have to multiply by derivative of a cos inverse x, because in the place of x, see power, in the place of x, here it is a cos inverse x, a cos inverse x. So we have to multiply by derivative of a cos inverse x. So what's the derivative of a cos inverse x? A cos inverse x, a into derivative of cos inverse x. What's it? A is constant, we can remove outside. So a into derivative of cos inverse x, that is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of sin inverse x, 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Cos inverse x minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So we got the first derivative. First derivative we got. Now when we get a fraction here, denominator, we can multiply this root of 1 minus x square to other side, or we can cross multiply, so that the next differentiation will be easy, because we want to find second derivative. One more time we want to find the derivative. So to make the differentiation easy, we multiply this root of 1 minus x square to left side, because applying product rule is easy compared to quotient rule. So we multiply root of 1 minus x square to this side. So we get what? Therefore, root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx is equal to minus a, this a, then e raised to a cos inverse x. So we got root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx equal to minus a e raised to a cos inverse x. Now we want to find the second derivative. So for that, here don't write simply d square y by dx square. This is one equation. So we have to differentiate each term with respect to x. So differentiate left side. There is only one term in the left side. So multiply, this is product form. Product, root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx. So we have to apply product rule in the left side. So what we are doing is differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, both sides. So left side, apply product rule. First function, this is first function, this is second function. So first function into derivative of dy by dx. What is the derivative of dy by dx with respect to x? That is very important, with respect to which variable we are differentiating. So we are differentiating with respect to x. So first function into derivative of dy by dx with respect to x. That is d square y by dx square. See, that is derivative of dy by dx. This is the derivative of dy by dx with respect to x. That is same as d square y by dx square. So d square y by dx square plus. So first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. So dy by dx into derivative of root of 1 minus x square. What's the derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x. So what's the derivative of root of 1 minus x square? So derivative of root of 1 minus x square is 1 by 2 root of 1 by 2 root of 1 minus x square into, what is in the place of x? We are using derivative of root x. See, we are using d by dx of root x, that is 1 by 2 root x. Derivative of root x 1 by 2 root x, but in the place of x, here what is in the place of x? 1 minus x square. So we have to multiply by derivative of 1 minus x square. So derivative of root x 1 by 2 root x, 1 by 2 root of, in the place of x, 1 minus x square. So into derivative of 1 minus x square. What is the derivative of 1 minus x square? Derivative 1 0, derivative minus x square minus 2x. So the derivative left side, derivative of left side is over. So root of 1 minus x square into derivative of dy by dx, that is d square y by dx square plus dy by dx, second function into derivative of first root of 1 minus x square, 1 by 2 root of 1 minus x square into derivative of 1 minus x square, that is minus 2x. So this is the left side derivative, that is equal to, what is right side derivative? See here, we can do one thing here. What is e raised to a cos inverse x? E raised to a cos inverse x is same as y. So we can write here that is equal to minus ay. So it will be easy. So in the place of e raised to a cos inverse x, we can substitute y. So we got minus a into y. Now, so no need to differentiate this term, only right side is this one, minus ay. So what is the derivative of minus ay? So minus a constant, minus a into derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx. Dy by dx. So we differentiated this with respect to x. So here, so take only consider this equal to minus ay. Only consider that. Otherwise, you need write one more step and write. So here we got this derivative. Now we can simplify. See here. So sorry. 2. So what we get? So here that is root of 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square plus into minus. So minus x dy by dx minus x by root of 1 minus x square minus x by root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx equal to minus a into dy by dx. Now here we can write 1 minus. So here now we can multiply by root of 1 minus x square. So multiply by root of 1 minus x square. So when we multiply here, what we get? Root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus x square. That is 1 minus x square. So this term we get 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square. Then here when we multiply, in this term when we multiply by root of 1 minus x square, this root of 1 minus x square and that root of 1 minus x square will be cancelled when we multiply by root of 1 minus x square. So here we get only minus x dy by dx equal to minus a dy by dx into root of 1 minus x square. We multiplied by root of 1 minus x square all the terms. So here when we multiply, we get root into root, that is only 1 minus x square. Here root 1 minus x square will be cancelled. So we get minus x dy by dx. Here we multiply by root of 1 minus x square. Now what is root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx? See here. See now see what we want to prove. See here we have to prove that 1 minus x square d square y by dx square minus x dy by dx minus a square y equal to 0. That is what we want to prove. Only small difference what we got now. See here what we got now. We got this one. 1 minus x square d square y by dx square same. First term same. See. Minus x dy by dx, that is also same. Now only small difference, minus a square y. For that here we can substitute. See here we have root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx equal to minus a y. So root of 1 minus x square into, substitute this, root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx, that is same as minus a y. So root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx, this much part, that is same as, this is same as minus ay, that we can substitute here. So this we are going to substitute in the right side. So what we get from this, what we get, therefore 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus x dy by dx equal to minus a into, what is root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx? Root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx, that is minus ay. So into minus ay. So minus into minus plus s, that is equal to a square y. Now take a square y to left side. So what we get? 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus x dy by dx. A square y take left side. So minus a square y equal to 0. That is what we want to prove. See, prove that 1 minus x square d square y by dx square minus x dy by dx minus a square y equal to 0. So we proved. So that is what we want to prove. So we can substitute whenever we can substitute y dy by dx or d square y by dx square, we can simplify and finally we reach the result what we need to prove. Okay.